Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a mini game where an animal interacts with their environment. A quick and easy way to make your own game is using OctoStudio, a free creative coding app. Here's some examples of mini games featuring different animals exploring and interacting in their natural habitats. And here's an example of National Geographic explorer Gibbs Kaguru, a shark researcher from Kenya who uses technology to help study shark behavior and health. Gibbs helps more people develop understanding and empathy for sharks. Let's start creating. Think of an animal you want to feature in a game. I've always been interested in animals that live underwater, so I'm going to choose a tropical fish that lives near a coral reef. Let's go ahead and create a new project. So I'm going to start by choosing a sprite, which you can do by painting using the camera or an existing photo. I'm going to look for a fish emoji. There's a fish. And then I'm going to choose a backdrop, which again, you can use the camera or photos. I am going to choose an underwater scene. Now let's make our fish swim when we tilt our device. I'll grab the tilt to move block, and I'm going to attach it to the wind play block. Now, when we tilt, the fish will swim. Let's add algae for our fish to eat. So I'm going to go to add a sprite, and I'm going to paint. Now let's say when the fish touches the algae will move to a random place on the screen. Now I'm going to grab a when touches block, and I'm going to connect it to a go to block. I'm going to change it so that it goes to a random position using the dice. And I'm going to make sure that it goes at lightning speed. So now when I tilt and my fish touches the algae, it moves to another position. Finally, let's add a score. I'm going to start by adding the change score by 1 block. And I also want to make sure that the score resets when I start the game. So I'm going to set the score to 0 when I press play. Let's try it out. Nice. What kind of animal do you want to feature in a game? Where will it live? What will it avoid? What will it search for?